wanted to do a review for the nail stickers by Gelato Factory. When I was looking at ordering these for the first time, I couldn't find many videos about them online, so I thought an honest review would be helpful to others who may be interested in trying them. I start by applying their base coat, and I let that air dry. I then press on the stickers I think fit my nail shape the best. I trim and file the long ends down. Then I use the Gelato Factory gel top coat and set it with their UV LED gel lamp. I do honestly find that the gel lamp is a bit weak, and sometimes it's necessary to use it 2 or 3 times to get the full effect. So then the nails are pretty much finished. As you can see, it was really quick, it was easy, and they look pretty nice and smooth. That week I took a trip, and I noticed after about 5 days that in a few spots it started coming up. So when I got home from my trip, I hit those couple spots again with the UV top coat and set that with the light. And then this is after having the nails on for 11 days. I did notice that a couple of them, the stickers had gotten caught on my hair when I was in the shower, and they started to lift up from the nail bed. That was maybe happening on 2 or 3 of the nails. It's possible that if I had coated them a little bit better with the UV top coat, that maybe that wouldn't happen. But at this point, I was ready to switch the design out for something new, so I didn't opt to reset them. I just decided to take them off. I guess I had expected them to last a little bit longer, but it's not bad, especially considering the price. So to remove them is also really easy. I use their gel remover, and I just drop a few drops of it on the top of the nail, and then you kind of ease the sticker off with a wood stick. I think because you put the base coat on the nail that it tends to just lift right off, taking the base coat with it. But I did also notice that my nails did seem a bit rough after removing the stickers. So if you're particularly concerned about damaging your nails, or your nails are already really thin, this may cause more of an issue for you. And after taking off all the nail stickers, I found that there were a few spots where the base coat was still stuck to my nail. So I just used some regular nail polish remover on a cotton to take that off. And after taking that off, you can see how my nails look. As I said, they are a little rough. I think if you were to go in and buff that down, it would look perfectly fine, but maybe that's problematic for some people. And then I went ahead and repeated what I did and put a different design on for Christmas, which I think turned out really cute, really nice. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful for anyone who's interested in maybe trying this product themselves sometime. If it was useful for you, please hit the like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.